Good morning, everybody. So what we've got today is a quick demonstrational video to show how to use one of these tire plug kits. Now, I'm going to be doing this on my trike project over here, where we've got a pretty significant puncture. Very big thorn. But this works on any tire. This can be used as reference for any tire. So what you'll need: a pair of gloves, a pair of pliers, something sharp, and the kit. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is open up the kit. You've got the plugs themselves, some rubber cement, the holder tool, and the drill tool. You'll notice the kit comes with two different size plugs. There's the smaller, thinner, longer plugs, and the bigger, thicker, and shorter plugs. Make sure to use the right application. For this, we're going to be using the thicker plugs. The next thing you're going to want to do is get the plug ready before you pull out whatever punctured your tire. It's important to do this because if you're on the side of the road, you may not have a way to reinflate the tire. Once you pull that out, the air is going to start leaking out immediately. We can get it plugged before the air all leaks out. This is the tool you use to insert the plug into the tire. What you'll want to do is get your plug out, squish one end of it through the eye of this tool. And you'll want to set it right in the middle of the plug, like that. You can prepare for the next step by opening that rubber cement. Now that the plug's ready to go, you're ready to pull whatever punctured your tire. Have this tool ready so you lose as little air in the tire as possible. With a bigger tire and with more tread, it's going to take even more effort than it took me just there. So be ready to push really hard on this tool. That's why the gloves are so important. The purpose of this tool is to drill out the hole and make it nice and even as possible. So you want to take it and then pull it back and forth a few times to really clean that area of the tire. The next step is to put some of this rubber cement all over the plug. And what you're going to do is take out the drill and in a very swift motion plunge this into the hole and then pull it out very swiftly. Now what happened in this case is I actually lost the first plug that I put in there because the hole was too big. So I took the remaining two plugs, stuck them both in the tool, and repeated that step. And that was enough to plug the hole. Now what you're left with is this extra rubber sticking out. And you're not going to want to leave that way, because that could present an issue for you out on the road. This is when your sharp tool comes into play. You're going to want to cut that as flush as possible to the tire. The last step is to apply extra rubber cement over the top of the plug. You're going to allow that enough time to dry before trying to put any additional air into your tire. So that's how you successfully plug a tire. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And consider watching one of my other videos as well. I'll see you next time.